I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. Today is Thursday, June 17th, and this is your morning commodities report. Oil is on the rise despite a rise in U.S. crude inventories as the greenback lost some ground to major currencies. Gold, too, is up as concerns about Europe's sovereign debt levels, particularly in Spain and Portugal, remain high, and investors continue to seek out the yellow metal as a safe haven. As of early morning hours, Brent crude is currently up about 0.4% at $78.43 a barrel, while light sweet crude is down by 0.33% at $77.42 a barrel. Natural gas up by close to 1.5% at $5.05 a million British thermal units. Gold is up 0.5%, $1,237 even per ounce, while silver is up by 0.2%, $18.48 an ounce, and copper down over 1.5%, $2.95 a pound. Crude stockpiles increased by 1.7 million barrels in the latest week, according to the U.S. Department of Energy, while analysts on average had expected the figure to fall by about 1.75 million barrels. BP is slightly up in pre-market on the New York Stock Exchange as the company announced that it will stop paying out dividends this year. And the company came to an agreement with the White House to establish a $20 billion escrow fund to compensate victims of the Gulf of Mexico spill. Houston-based Oasis Petroleum has raised $588 million in the second biggest IPO of 2010. The Drilling and Exploration Group, which owns 292,000 acres of land in North Dakota and Montana, sold 42 million shares at $14 each. In the mining sector, Newmont Mining Corporation said that its Batu Hijau copper and gold mine in Indonesia will produce 10 to 20% less than expected this year due to heavy rain. The company had previously projected copper production reaching 573 million pounds at the mine. And Barrick Gold Corporation's senior manager of taxation, Sean Jeremy, told Mining Weekly that Australia's proposal to impose a 40% tax on mining profits will impact the company's investment decisions in the country. The Canadian company's executive pointed out that the Papua New Guinea tried to levy a similar tax previously, but, quote, it didn't work and they stepped back from it. I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. To receive this commodities report every morning, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, Trade the Trend. You can also find more on these headlines on our website, tradethetrend.com.